Ngani sanibonani South Africa, kankulu okhuluma uSibusiso kaSithole Mashiya. Siyacela ukuthi uchofoze no-subscribe lapha ku-YouTube, usilandele ku-Facebook, usilandele ku-TikTok, Mashiya Online TV. Ngenza kwethu i-acting industry is very terrible industry, njengoba usizo libhalwe emehlweni kubaba uGlenn Kabela, siyamazi njengomfundisi uMdletshe lapha kumdlalo Uzalo bedlala ku-SABC 1 njalo nga-8. Usizi lubhalwe emehlweni, Brooke ubaba ngenxa yesimo abhekene naso because of kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wona kade vele ethembele kuwona. So isimo sibi kakhulu, siyawubona ividiyo iyazungeza ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, but ngaphandle kokupholisa amaseko, cela ngani zakwethu sibuke nayo ividiyo sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani, bese sicela kuwo wonke umuntu ongaba nosizo ukuthi ubaba athole usizo. Amen.
Is this what our actors are subjected to? Impilo nje nayi award yakhe Glenn Kabela. Ngicela nibuke indawo ahlala kuyo. Ngicela nibuke indawo uGlenn ahlala kuyo.
I want a decent life. I want to live decently like every normal person, you know what I'm saying? Which is why in the lama attempts I'm trying to engage nabantu, you know what I'm saying? Would I want to grow the film industry so that these young up-and-coming performers don't end up like us. You know what I'm saying? I want for their lives to be better. I don't want for them I mean, you listen to the stories of all the veteran actors, right? When they pass, you listen to the stories told, you know, how they struggled, you know what I'm saying? And almost all of us, when we reach this age, you reach a stage where, you know, Mate, it's a pity that angikwazi ukucela, you know what I'm saying? Ukucela for me now, it's very hard. It's very hard. It's very hard.
South Africa is right?
That's all I need. Just to live decently. I don't need to be rich or anything. You know what I'm saying? I just need to I need to live a decent life. You know what I'm saying? I need to live decently.
South Africa, this is our icon. So nathi asinani size nalokho size nakho. It's not a lot, but please reach out to him. Please, any assistance. Thank you.